Strait, come along and see Debbie and Andrew's travels. Oh, the places they'll be, from Geelong to Tasmania. On the Spirit we glide, adventure and fun, come join the ride. Get to Australia, it's the journey of a lifetime.
Okay, so here we are on the ferry to Queenscliff, and we're going to be so with the last ones on. We just got here 2 minutes ago, and
paid
and the ferry's already here, and we're ready to leave. We're on. We just drove in, and
yeah,
so
all the cars are waiting.
So we drove in. Everyone else is still waiting. Paid our ticket and drove straight onto the boat, and we're going to be the first ones off.
The Joe and Sherry on the ferry they go, from Serene to Queenscliff with the caravan in tow.
Alright, this is the start of, this is the first ferry to the big ferry to Tassie. Trouble is, when you're on the friggin' ferry over to Sereno, friggin' car alarms keep going off. I'm pretty sure.
Will be perfect for new parents. Good all drivers and vehicle passengers, please return to your vehicles and prepare to disembark.
Alright, so we've been told to disembark, and guess where we are? First car off. Or maybe they'll send all those off first. Fuck me. It's best if you switch your friggin' alarms off when you're travelling around. I'm not sure if these people know. Yeah. Just coming up to Queenscliff now. Alright, we've just got off the ferry from Sorrento to Queenscliff, and yeah, we're at Port Arlington, so we're going to stay here 2 nights before we catch the big ferry over to Tassie. There we are, it's parked up over there. Now, I'm not sure if you can see behind me, there's a skyline of Melbourne, looking pretty awesome. So we've got a nice little spot here, right on the beach of Port Phillip Bay, and that looks fairly good. Not hot enough to go for a swim yet, because it is just coming up the end of July. One more month and then we'll be into spring. But no, looking forward to heading on to the big ferry on the Spirit over to Tassie. That should be awesome.
Under Melbourne's bright city lights, pack our bags for a brand new sight. In our caravan we hit the road, adventures await, hearts overflow. On the Spirit of Tasmania, across the Bass Strait.
Okay, so woke up this morning, checked the weather forecast, 60 knot gale force winds. I don't know how Debbie's going to take that, so definitely haven't told her yet.
Waves beneath us, streams in flight, the ship sails on through the starry night.
Finally on board. We're up to Tassie, finally on board.
On the Spirit of Tasmania, across the Bass Strait. We sail away, the night is late. To Devonport's embrace we journey far, with the Southern Cross as our guiding star. First night spent at Beauty Point, under the stars, hearts anoint. With every mile love grows strong, in our caravan where we belong. Waking up to a as long as we find our way. Nature's beauty, a wondrous sight. Together we stand in morning light. On the Spirit of Tasmania, across the Bass Strait, we sail away, the night is late. To Devonport's embrace we journey far, with the Southern Cross as our guiding star.
5 knots. It has to be hard.
That doesn't sound good.
Still have a west to swell to around 3 to 5 metres. So through the hedge banks there's a bit of motion and heading into Bass Strait. Don't expect it to be too bad, but it will certainly still be moving around a bit. So please take care of walking around the ship, especially on the stairwells. Still expect to be arriving alongside Devonport on time. 6 o'clock and disembarking 6:30. A bit of an ordinary day in Devonport as well. You've got a windy day, showers and free tea. I do hope you enjoyed tonight's sail though, and thanks for travelling on the Spirit of Tasmania.
It's going to be windy. Whatever you want. No, breakfast.
Is it for sweets?
Yeah, but you have to put it on that plate. So that's why they've given you a little. Alright, so this is our meal. And
It's in the tea.
it's in the thing. $30 for a
Fill up your
buffet.
plate.
But you can they only give you small plates, don't they? So it looks like we're moving. But I can't hear what they're saying. Mum's going to take a photo of her food so everyone can see.
I've got it.
You got your photo?
Yep.
Alright. What are you doing? No. Alright, go on.
Oh, just a
No,
scrape.
I know. I had been saving that with my piece of bread. I've been saving that little bit so.
Do you know how long it took me to find the group?
And Mum, yeah, I know, it was right in front of you the whole time. Mum's trying to slop up the gravy off my plate. I got one piece of bread and the tiniest bit. Alright, I've just got out of the shower. We're on the Spirit of Tasmania and I nearly fell out. We are rocking all over the place, and we fair dinkum, we're not even out of the heads yet. So this is going to be a very, very interesting night. So bloody showers, nice and hot. But I'm glad they had bloody. Sorry, I'm glad they had bloody rails in there because you just all over the place. Anyway, that was good. Good morning, everyone. We've just arrived at Devonport and it wasn't as bad as what we thought it'd be. It wasn't that rocky, just a little bit rolly, but slept really well. So, don't know if you can see, but a bit sore. Where are you? It's pissing down, it's raining, Cozy. Alright, we're going into the city centre somewhere, I don't know. Attention passengers.
We've got to fix up the mirrors.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of us crossing the Bass Strait on the Spirit of Tasmania. We're here in Beautiful Point, and next video we're going to go and do some of the tourist spots like the Beaconsfield Mine, Seahorse and the Platypus Museum. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and g'day Australia.